For 2024, we've introduced significant changes to the 12th edition of the ULD regulations. The Competency-Based Training and Assessment Approach, CBTA, for ULD training requirements has finally been adopted in ULDR 1.6. The CBTA approach emphasizes the importance of designing your training programs based on your training need analysis and the functions and tasks of the personnel instead of their job titles. All the technical and operating specifications for fire-resistant container and fire containment cover have been updated to align with the respective SAE and ISO standards. The migration of the ULD working instructions from ULDR to ICHM has been started this year with operating specifications 601 and 606. And the position is that ULDR should contain, in terms of operations, the operating requirements about what to do, whereas ICHM should contain working instructions about how to do to comply with the ULDR requirements. The ULD operational maximum gross weight, which is marked by the manufacturers on the ULD, has been clarified to differentiate from the maximum gross weight limitation per aircraft ULD position imposed by the Aircraft Weight and Balance Manual. The presentation of the maximum allowable center of gravity heights of respective ULD contours has been greatly improved to be more reader-friendly. The aircraft cargo compartment classification based on the fire protection capability of the cargo compartment has been updated. Some typical characteristics associated with special loads, such as offset cargo, overhanging cargo, outsized cargo, floating pallet, have been added in the new edition of the ULDR.